Good morning, fourth grade. Today we are learning lesson 86, multiplying multiples of 10 and 100. It is similar to yesterday, but we are going with just 10 and 100, and we're going to try and do a little faster using our multiplication facts. And hopefully if we have them memorized, it's going to go much quicker. So kind of a review of yesterday, but adding a little bit more for a quick way to do it. If we have two zeros, we automatically put two zeros down here. And then 3 times 4 is very easy. 3 times 4 is 12. So 40 times 30 is 1200. It's as simple as that, just counting how many zeros and then doing the easy multiplication facts. So we can use this when we round. Today we're not rounding, but eventually we'll be using this to round as well to make things go quicker and to be able to multiply in our head an approximate amount. So for our first word problem, we have a store has 30 ping pong paddles for sale at $7 each. How much money will the store receive if all of the paddles are sold? So all of them is 30, and we multiply times how much each? $7. So we want to know how much money will the store receive if they all sell. So obviously we're going to have money, right? But first of all, how many zeros do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3 zeros down and then multiply our simple fact of 7 times 3. We should have 7 times 3 memorized as 21. And then how many decimal points do we have? Well, in money we always have 2, which is very simple. So 30 ping pong paddles for sale at $7 each is $210. $210. Pretty simple. Let's go on to our next problem. This one's a little bit different. It does not have money involved. It says, in the weightlifting room, a group of football players lifted 80 pounds of weights 60 different times. So they did repetitions. 60 repetitions of 80 pounds. How many pounds of weight did the players lift all together? So, again, we're multiplying 80 times 60. We have 2 zeros, so we're going to put 2 zeros down. And then 8 times 6, remembering our multiplication table, is 48. So, how many pounds of weight did the players lift all together? 4,800 pounds. And we could put our answer down here, 4,800 pounds. Remember, you need to put pounds because you are answering a question that requires you to have a label. We'll do one more. You're going to say, wow, Mrs. Spike, this looks hard. It is, but learning how we did it today, we can do this in our head without even having to write something down. So we know there are 4 zeros. And we know that 4 times 7 is 28. So 28 with 4 sevens behind it would be 280,000. We could actually do that in our head. If you must, if you're like me, a visual person though, sometimes we need to write that down. And it is 280,000. Simple. If you have any questions, give me a fast direct, a text, or a call. Have a great day. Bye.